If you're not happy with your KUCCPS placement results, either they put you in a course that you do not even want to do, or they took you to a university that you've never imagined you'll go to, this video is for you. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 options that you have, things that you can do to make sure that you get into a career path or a course that is closer, or even to get into that university that you wanted, or other options that are much better than the results you got. Welcome to EduSens Africa. I bring you weekly videos about your educational and your career journey. I help you to understand the options that you have when it comes to courses and career pathways, and I help you get into that career that is meant for you and that career that you will actually thrive in. So let's talk about the 5 real options that you have currently. You can actually do any of these 5 things to help you go around the bad placement or the wrong placement that you got on KUCCPS results. The first thing you can do is to apply for inter-institutional transfer. This is good news for this year specifically because the Cabinet Secretary for Education announced the extension from 2 weeks to 1 month, the extension of the period where you can go and apply for inter-institutional transfer, which means you can change the university you are placed in, and you can also change the course that you are placed in. From one institution to another is possible if you qualify for it and you make in the application within the time period that is needed. The second option that you have is to consider enrolling as a private student or enrolling to a private university. You might have wanted to do something like geospatial engineering, for example, and you selected University of Nairobi and you are not placed there because either the cutoff points changed or many people qualified for it. However, if the grades that you got are good enough to go into geospatial engineering, it is possible for you to enroll as a private student where they will not look at the cutoff points and the number of people getting in there, but they will look at the minimum grades required. For example, if the minimum grades required to get into geospatial is B- or B, that's just an example, and maybe many students applied. So the last students who was chosen through KUCCPS actually got an A- or a B+. You can still be able to go and join the same university or other private universities for the same course if you got a B- because that is the minimum required to get into that course. The difference is that KUCCPS looks at the cutoff points as well as the number of people going in there. But when you go to the private pathway or to the self-sponsored pathway, of course you will spend more, but you have that chance to get into a course that you want to do, even if many people have already gone in there through KUCCPS. The third option that you have is to get into the diploma pathway or the TVET pathway. This is because if you miss out on the degree, maybe you got a B- or even a C+, and you are not able to get into the degree, there are other options that you qualify for in the same pathway of KUCCPS, and this is the TVET or the diploma pathway. And let me tell you something. It does not mean that when you go for diploma or when you go for TVET, you are going for a lesser qualification in that pathway. That is not true. It only means that it might take you longer to get into the degree. Once you finish your diploma, you can still enroll into the degree. And also, you can still get into the job market with the diploma, and it will help you gain the experience and even grow up the ladder in the job market, or eventually come back to school and do the degree. Simply because you are not selected to the university does not mean that your dreams have to stop there, and does not mean that you don't have other options. Consider diploma, consider TVET, because very many people are doing very well and they're even getting employed sometimes much faster than the people who are getting into the degree pathway. If you missed out on being selected to a medical course or to a health sector course at the university that you wanted to, or the specific course that you wanted to, you can consider applying for KMTC, and they have an intake coming up in September where you can get into a course that is very much related to what you wanted to do. We have courses in nursing, nursing aid, community health, nutrition, lab technicians. So many courses are offered in KMTC. These are medical courses and healthcare courses. And so if you missed out on a degree or a diploma somewhere else. Remember that KMTC intake is coming up, and there are very good options that they are giving you if you did not get what you had wanted initially. The fifth option that you have is to consider joining the Open University of Kenya. Many people don't know about it, but they do let me know in the comment section. Have you ever heard about the Open University of Kenya, and do you know more about it? If not, do let me know if you want me to make a proper video to explain to you the details. So if you missed out on the courses that you wanted to do or the university that you wanted to go to, you can consider the Open University of Kenya as an alternative, because they admit students that got C+ minimum, and they do not look at the cutoff points or the KUCCPS placement. The good news is that you can be able to access government funding the same way that you can access government funding when you go to a public university through KUCCPS. Is the same way that you can get some help when it comes to school fees through the Open University of Kenya. So if you missed out on what you wanted to do and you got a C+ and above, check out Open University of Kenya and let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to get you more information about it. If you're out there and you don't know which of these options is applicable for you, probably you're confused, or maybe you need personal help depending on your specific situation, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I'll be putting my number on the screen where you can book your one-on-one consultation, and I'll be looking at your specific situation, your specific interests and strengths, and then I give you the different options that you have, different courses and different universities that can help you get into the career path that you really wanted. If you want to understand the interinstitutional transfer on KUCCPS, exactly what is needed when the portals open and how you can put in the best application, watch out for my next video where I'll be sharing with you the details. Make sure that you subscribe to EduSens Africa and put on that notification bell so that when I upload these videos, you don't miss out on them. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Allow me to share with you some good news that I've been working on behind the scenes. I'm only going to take 1 minute of your time. I've received several messages of people needing me to guide them on specific courses in terms of marketability, where they can work, where they can study, the salaries to expect, and every other detail that is important before you can select a course. I do offer one-on-one consultations to guide people at an individual level, but some of you have requested for more affordable alternatives. This is why I have come up with PDFs on specific courses and specific career paths. So far, I have 2 of such guides. One is in the geospatial and geomatics science and engineering, and the next one is the medical and health sector in Kenya. Many people only know about medicine, pharmacy and dentistry, but I can tell you there are more than 10 fields in the medical sector that you can learn from certificate, diploma and degree. These are guides that you can actually download on your phone and be able to read it anywhere you are, even share it with your parents if you need to discuss before you can settle on any course. I'll be putting the links in the comment section, in the description box and on your screen as well. If you have a child who's currently in high school and they are exploring courses to do, don't wait until they finish and then they have to rush, because they need time to understand these courses and to know what to expect before they can even choose it. It is very affordable. Visit the link and purchase one for yourself, for your child, or for someone that you care about.